How to download social media videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. Now, tap on the Reel tab and find the video or reel you wish to download. Here, tap on the share icon. From the menu that appears at the bottom, tap on the copy link button to copy. Now, open up the Safari web browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Instagram Video Downloader. Once you find one, tap on it to open. On the website, you will see an input field. Tap on the Paste button to insert the link you copied from Instagram. Then, tap on the Download button to process the video. The website will prepare the video for download. Scroll down and tap the Final Download button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Download to save the video to your phone's files. You can check the progress in your browser's download manager. Following these steps, you can easily download social media videos on an iPhone.